Hello children. Today we are going to start with exercise 3.2 and the next topic it is factor tree method. Use the factor tree method to write the prime factorization of the following numbers. What we have to find? We have to find the prime factorization by factor tree method. Okay, now before finding that we should know the prime numbers, as we always start the factorization by prime numbers. Okay, now the prime numbers from 2 to 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay, now 20 it is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 here, and what will I write here? 2 tens are 20. Again 10 it is divisible by 2. When it is divisible by 2, 2 fives are 10. Now 2 is also a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. So here we will stop our question. So prime factorization for 20 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Similarly for 99, as you can see that the last number it is 9. It means it will not be divisible by 2. So we can check its divisibility by 3. So we will add the digits. 9 plus 9 it is 18. 18 comes in table of 3. So it means 99 will also be divisible by 3. So here I will write 3, but I don't know what will come here. So in my rough work I will divide and check. 3 threes are 9, 0 here, again 9. So 3 threes are 9. So what will come here? 33. Similarly again 33 it is divisible by 3. And what will come here? I can divide here in my rough space. 3 ones are 3, 0, again 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay, now what it is? 11. Now 3 and 11 both are the prime numbers. So we will stop it here only. So what is the factorization of 99? It is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. Now 45, you can see the last digit it is 5. So it means it will not be divisible by 2. We will check its divisibility by 3. We will add the numbers. 4 plus 5 it is 9. It means it will be divisible by 3. So what will I write here? I will write here 3, and I have to check it by dividing. So 45 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 1 and 5. 3 fives are 15. So what will come here? 15. Again 15 is divisible by 3. When 3 fives are 15. So 5 will come here. Now the factors for the prime factorization for 45 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And one thing more, dear students, you can multiply from here and check whether your answer is right or wrong. See here, 3 threes are 9, 9 fives are 45, and this was our question. So by multiplying our factors we can check whether we have done it right or wrong. Next it is 28. The last digit it is 8. It means it will be divisible by 2. So 2 will come here, and what will come here? We can divide and check. 2 ones are 2 and 8 is there. 2 4s are 8. So what will come here? 14. Again 14 is divisible by 2 when 2 7s are 14. Now 7 again it is a prime number and 2 is a prime number, so we will stop it here only. So the factors for 28 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7, and by multiplying we can check it also. See, 2 2s are 4 and 4 7s are 28. It means we have done it right. Now the E part, it is 52. The last digit it is 2. It means it will be divisible by 2. And what will come here? We can divide it and check. 2 2s are 4, 12. 2 6s are 12. So what will come here? It is 26. And in 26 the last digit it is 6. It means that it will be again divisible by 2. I don't know what will come here. So in my rough space we can divide and check. 2 1s are 2, 0, 6 and 3. 2 3s are 6. So what will come here? 13. Now you can see 2 is a prime number and 13 is also a prime number. So we will stop it here only. So 52, it is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 13. And by multiplying all the numbers we can check whether we have done it right or wrong. 2 2s are 4 and 13 4s are 52. Now next our topic in the exercise, it is twin primes. What are twin primes? The twin primes are the two prime numbers that have a difference of 2. Please keep it in mind that they are the prime numbers. First condition is that the number should be prime and they should have the difference of 2. Let's see some examples. It will be more clear with the examples. 3 and 5. If I subtract from 5 3, what will I get? 2. Similarly, 7 minus 5 is 2 and 13 minus 11 is again 2. So these are the examples of twin prime numbers. Moving to the exercise 3.2, the fourth question is list down all the set of twin primes from 1 to 100. We have to list all the twin prime numbers from 1 to 100. The first one is 3 and 5. The second one is 5 and 7. Then 11 and 13. Then 17 and 19. Then 29 and 31, 41 and 43, 59 and 61, and at last it is 71 and 73. All the set of the numbers have the difference 2. That's why they are called as twin prime numbers. Thank you.